Hi, my name is Dylan. I'm an ART certified practitioner. 6 years ago, I had a motorcycle accident. I fractured my collarbone. After that, I did a post-surgery rehab. Then gradually, I still have issues on my shoulders. So I've been looking for a method to ease off my issues. Been going to different kind of treatment, but nothing helps. Then I chanced upon Aldrin's video. I give it a try. So it works. And I know that this is something that I can bring forth to my clients as well. After the courses, I begin my journey with Ziglar Fitness as an ART practitioner. Most of my clients, they have been through to different kind of treatments for their issues, but eventually they'll end up in Ziglar Fitness as a last resort. I ask my clients, what is the issue? Then they will show me the different movements, where is the location of the pain. Based on the movement, I will figure out where's the referral pain. So if they are unsure, then I will ask their daily life, what did they do most of the time. I specialize in lower body, especially the foot and ankles. Usually a problem with lower body, right? Let's say like lower back, knees, usually start from ankles, because I believe that ankles and foot are all the root of the entire body. From the ankles affect the knees, in turn will affect your hip, then your lower back, go up to your thoracic and cervical. People with bad knees, lower back pain, old folks, athletes, and office workers, especially those who wore high heels most of the times. I got one client who have a very bad knee. She only can shuffle. She can barely straighten her legs when lying down flat. So I began to assess her ankle, knees, and hip area. Of course, after releasing all the joints, ankles, knees, then I begin to assess her movement after that. Prescribe exercises to strengthen the big areas. Now she's able to go hiking and she walks like normal. The most rewarding part of my job is to be able to see my clients walking out here without any pain. They don't have to come back anymore. If you're looking for a session that combines hands-on ART treatment and corrective exercises for longer recovery, book a session with me through our website.